How to add friends in 8-ball pool. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add friends in 8-ball pool, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways to add a friend in 8-ball pool. So when you open up 8-ball pool, towards the bottom left beside the gift icon you can see this friends icon. So you have to make sure to just click on this friends icon here, right? So basically within your friends tab you will be able to see a list of friends. If you want to add a friend, you can go to suggested friends and add someone as a friend from here like this. And then what you can also do is you can add them by their unique ID. So you can tap on this add by unique ID from the bottom right hand side, and you can simply enter their name or the unique ID, hit the search button, and their name will pop up over here. But otherwise you can just keep on going to challenge or the suggested friends tab, and you could keep adding friends in that way. This way you will be able to add friends in 8-ball pool. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.